Welcome back. Panji police arrested 2 persons involved in fraudulent practices of cheating people by assuring jobs abroad. The 2 accused are remanded to 7 days police custody.
Panji police nabbed them at Miramar. Police also found about 18 passports with them. The 2 accused, Atul Lawrence, hails from Miramar and Ashish Kerkar from Saligaon.
We got information that this Arthur Kennedy Lawrence and Ashish Kerkar are both moving in Miramar area. So immediately myself and my staff, consisting of Amonkar and PC Vinay Srivastav and Omgar Raya, we all went and we arrested both the accused along with one car.
Our reporter in Panji, Sunny Narvekar.
Pato Plaza, the commercial hub of the capital city, will soon have improved infrastructure. Similarly, a press conference on proposed to totally renovate Pato Plaza was held at EDC House.
The project will mainly highlight on expansion of pedestrian pathway, road widening, parking facilities for around 900 four-wheelers and 1000 two-wheelers, replacement of water pipelines and installation of electrical fixtures. Estimated cost for the said makeover is Rs 10.59 crores and project commences in October 2009. Consultant for the proposed development project at Pato Plaza, Messrs. Rahul Deshpande and Associates, made a PowerPoint presentation at the press conference. EDC plans to have such type of projects in North and South Goa, informed its chairman Agnello Fernandez.
We have also asked the government that we should acquire another 5 lakh square meters in the North and South so that we can have projects like this for the other parts of Goa.
Chairman Nitin Kunkalkar said that the corporation was expecting huge investments in future.
EDC is not going to let that place just go neglected. We are going to look after this place in one of the best possible way. And while we are going to spend this money, we are also hopeful of getting one of the best investments. We expect at least around 500 crores plus investment to come in Pato. Maybe in the form of malls or recreation centers.
Managing Director W.V. Ramannamurthy was also present for the briefing.
An unidentified body of a lady was found at Pharmagudi Bypass Road on Sunday morning. Police say that it is a clear-cut murder case. Here is a report.
An unknown dead body was found at Pharmagudi Bypass Road in a deep valley. The owner of the place saw the body and informed the police. After the primary investigation, police found out that the body is a non-Goan and falls in age group of 20 to 30. PI Manjunath Desai said that it is a clear murder case.
He non-Goan this lady. आणि खंयतरी म्हाका ताका गळा दामून ताका मारला अशें प्राथमीक अशें दिसता. अशें पण जाता की ताका गळा दामून मारलो काय दिसता खून केला अशें दिसता. ते एक्झॅक्ट मोटीव कितें तें कांय समजना. पूण त्या दृश्टीन आमचें तपासकाम चालू आसा. सुसायड न्हू ती, इट इज अ क्लियर म्हाका दिसता म्हाज्या प्रमाणे आमी जे प्राथमीक जे तपासकाम केला ताच्या प्रमाणे दिसता की खूब खुनाचो प्रकार दिसता.
Our reporter from Pharmagudi, Vivek Prabhu.
Agitated ST community on Tuesday took a morcha at Chief Minister's residence in Margaon to protest against the injustice done to them. They demanded that the chairmanship of ST Corporation should be allotted to one of the ST member and not Sudin Davlikar.
Tuesday witnessed chaos and uproar of the United Tribal Association Alliance. They marched towards Chief Minister's residence in Margaon demanding fulfillment of their long pending demands. Later, the agitators presented a memorandum to Chief Minister citing their demands. They also insisted that if their demands were not fulfilled, then government will have to face the consequences.
6 वर्षाची मागणी आसा. 6 वर्ष लागली ह्या गजालीक. जर 6 वर्ष भितर जर आमकां जर न्याय मेळना जाल्यार फुडें आनी कितें ऑप्शन आसा आमचे मुखार.
The agitators shouted slogans to execute their demands. They also burned the effigy of Transport Minister Sudin Davlikar, showing displeasure over the appointment of Sudin Davlikar for the post of chairmanship of ST Corporation. Police officials were also deputed at the site to avoid any untoward incident. Ramesh Tawwadkar articulated his annoyance and said that they would agitate till they get justice from the government.
आम्ही या आंदोलनात जोपर्यंत आमच्या ज्या प्रामुख्यानं 12 मागण्यो की आज सगळ्या आमदार धरून की मुख्यमंत्री धरून अनेक मंत्री धरून सगळ्या फुकट मांडलेले असतात की आम्ही सांगले आसा जोपर्यंत फुडल्या 1-2 म्हयन्याक आमकां न्याय मेळना जर जायत गोंयाक जो प्रसंग येतलो गोंयाक जे गावडे आपल्या गावड्याचे जे अस्तित्व दाखोवपा खातीर जे उग्र रूप धारण करतले ताका हे सरकार किंवा सरकार यंत्रणेचे जे आमचे अन्याय करणारे लोक आसा ते जबाबदार आसतले.
When Prudent Media contacted Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, he told us that he would look into the matter.
We have got some demands like Ministry for Tribal Welfare, then posts under ST category to be filled up by various departments. Regarding chairmanship of ST Corporation, they want a man from ST community to be nominated as the chairman. These are some of their demands. I have told them that I will look into their demands.
Our reporter at Margao, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.